In the summer, eating more mung beans is beneficial. Today, I'm going to share a new way to prepare mung beans. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. Let's take a look at how it's made. First, prepare 300 grams of mung beans. Soak them for more than 6 hours. After cleaning them, put them in an electric rice cooker. Add 2 bowls of water to cover the mung beans. Cook them until they are done. Next, prepare 260 grams of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. Add 2 grams of highly active dry yeast. Add a spoonful of sugar to promote fermentation. Stir it well. Use 140 milliliters of warm water to knead the dough. Stir it into a smooth dough. The flour's absorption may vary, so adjust the water accordingly. Knead it into a moderately soft and smooth dough. Shape it into a round ball. Place it in a bowl. Sprinkle some flour on the bottom of the bowl to prevent sticking. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it ferment until it doubles in size. Next, prepare the oil paste. Add 2 spoons of flour to a bowl. Add a spoonful of sugar. Pour in a suitable amount of hot oil and mix it well. Adjust it to a thin oil paste and set it aside. By this time, our mung beans are also cooked. Put them in a large bowl. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Add more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. Stir it well. Then use a rolling pin to mash it into a paste. After mashing it, set it aside. After about 40 minutes, the dough has also fermented almost enough. Take it out and knead it about 20 times on the cutting board. Deflate the dough. After kneading, shape it into a round ball and then flatten it. After flattening it, take out the rolling pin and roll it thinly. Roll it into a rectangular thin sheet with the edges thinner than the center. Spread the prepared oil paste on top. Use a scraper to spread it evenly. Then fold it from one side like making dumplings. After folding, pinch the ends to seal them. Then use your thumb to press it in the middle. Fold the dough in half. Gather the sides towards the center to form a round shape. Flatten them again. Use a rolling pin to roll it out again, making the edges thinner and the center thicker. Roll it into a round wrapper with a mung bean filling in the center. Use a spoon to scoop a spoonful of mung bean paste onto the wrapper. Fold it like a dumpling, enclosing the mung bean filling. Then shape it into a round ball and flatten it. This way, the raw dough is prepared. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Next, take out an electric griddle. Brush it with cooking oil. Place the dough balls on it. Make sure to keep some distance between them to avoid sticking together. Brush the top with some cooking oil as well. Cover the griddle with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Flip the dough over halfway through cooking. Finally, cook them until both sides turn golden brown and they are ready to serve. The outer layer is crispy and the inside is filled with delicious mung bean paste. They are sweet but not greasy, making them great as snacks or desserts. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.